OPPO Reno 15, the new all-round camera powerhouse. OPPO Reno 15 is an upper mid-range flagship-style smartphone that launched in the China market, but there is no official confirmation of an India launch yet. The phone's focus is on powerful camera, strong performance, and long battery life, which makes it attractive for both everyday users and content creators. Design, display, and feel. The OPPO Reno 15 comes with a 6.32-inch AMOLED display with FHD plus 1216 by 2640 resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. This combination makes scrolling, gaming, and video watching very smooth. The punch-hole design and slim bezels give the phone a modern premium look. With HDR-style high brightness and deep contrast, watching movies and reels is a visually rich experience. The body includes dual nano SIM support, in-display fingerprint sensor, dust resistance, and USB Type-C port. The overall design continues the typical clean and stylish language of the Reno series, and looks easily premium even in offline stores. Performance and software experience. This phone uses the MediaTek Dimensity 8450 chipset with 3.25 GHz prime-core, tri-core 3.0 GHz, and quad-core 2.1 GHz architecture. With 12 GB LPDDR5X RAM and fast UFS 3.1 storage, app opening, multitasking, and gaming all feel flagship-level smooth. Even heavy games on high settings run well, especially with the 120 Hz display combo. On the software side, the Reno 15 comes with ColorOS 16 based on Android 16, offering customization options, theme support, and AI features. Having Android 16 as the base means good future app compatibility and security update scope. Camera setup, 200MP main highlight. The Reno series' biggest selling point has always been the camera, and Reno 15 takes it a step further. The rear has a triple camera setup with 200MP wide primary camera, 50MP periscope ultrawide, and 50MP telephoto lens, providing flexible shooting experience. The main sensor's high resolution helps capture detail-rich photos better. Part 2, OPPO Reno 15, continued. Performance and software experience. This phone uses the MediaTek Dimensity 8450 chipset with 3.25 GHz prime-core, tri-core 3.0 GHz, and quad-core 2.1 GHz architecture. With 12 GB LPDDR5X RAM and fast UFS 3.1 storage, app opening, multitasking, and gaming all feel flagship-level smooth. Even heavy games on high settings run well, especially with the 120 Hz display combo. On the software side, the Reno 15 comes with ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. The system offers excellent customization options, theme support, and AI-powered features. Having Android 16 as the base ensures good future app compatibility and security update support. Camera setup, 200MP main highlight. The Reno series has always been known for outstanding camera performance, and Reno 15 takes this even further. The triple rear camera system features a 200MP wide primary sensor, a 50MP periscope ultrawide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens. These work together to provide incredibly flexible shooting experiences. The main sensor's high resolution enables capture of detail-rich photos with excellent cropping flexibility and superior low-light performance. The 3.5x optical zoom periscope lens excels for portraits, architecture, and distant subjects without quality loss. The ultra-wide lens makes capturing landscapes, group photos, and tight spaces effortless. Battery, charging and daily use. The OPPO Reno 15 features a 6,200 mAh large battery, which is substantial by modern standards. This capacity comfortably handles 1 to 1.5 days of heavy usage and can stretch to 2 days with normal mixed use. The phone supports 80W SuperVOOC fast charging technology. With the compatible charger, it charges to significant levels in approximately 30 minutes or more. The combination of USB Type-C port, battery optimizations, and efficient power management makes daily usage very convenient. Storage, connectivity, and India launch. The base model comes with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal STO.